Hi everybody. Not your normal video here, but something happened here yesterday that made me think about household fire safety. Um, I worked in the telephone industry for 38 years in confined spaces and dealt with explosimeters and checking for um, flammable gases and so forth because of my job. And therefore, I have several fire extinguishers throughout the house. We've had a plan. All the kids know where they are. I have one in each of my vehicles and everything. But I strongly urge everybody who watches my channel and knows Robin and I and cares for your own family to have a plan. Because it was brought home to me yesterday. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's nothing drastic, but I just want to show you how easily one can fall into something stupid. Okay, about a week ago, we had gas put in for for gas-fired logs in our fireplace, and I had them shove. They went through this door that was actually the ash clean out, and they cut the door. And I had them take this fiberglass and stick it back in the hole. They put a little tin plate over the top in the fireplace itself. So yesterday Robin said, well, are you going to go out there and, put some silicone or do something along that pipe to seal up that pipe? And I said, yeah. So I came out with my little can of great stuff. Excuse me, the fiberglass was all packed in there, so I only had a pretty small space there, maybe 4 inches, to fill with the great stuff. So the door was closed. I started spraying the great stuff in there. I had used about 2/3 of the can and was almost up to the top and sealed off when I heard a big boof. Robin came outside, and it had ignited the fumes from the carrier in the great stuff can, had seeped through the fiberglass and gotten into the fireplace and ignited with the pilot light of the fireplace. Blew the doors open on the fireplace, caught the inside of this tube on fire. I had to run in, get the fire extinguisher, come out here, try and open the door and spray the fire extinguisher in there, which didn't seem to be too big of a deal. Then I looked up on the roof, and let me get over here, and here's the chimney. And right over, well, I can't see where I'm pointing, but anyway, right on the where the sunlight is shining on the lower edge of that flashing up there, I had smoke coming out of there. So I thought, oh crap, maybe the inside of the wall between the bricks and the wall is on fire. Maybe the wall inside behind the fireplace is on fire. I didn't know. You don't know what to think, and I erred on the side of caution and dialed 911. Well, the fire department came. We had to get all the animals out of the house, took them out, put them in the van, which was part of the plan. But you start thinking about what else should I get out of the house. You don't have time to think about it. The fire department was here in less than probably 3 minutes. 4 minutes tops maybe. Police were here before that. We just barely had time to get the animals out. But anyways, as it turned out, they used a thermal imaging tool on the wall, inside, outside the house, went up and checked inside the attic, and apparently what was coming out up there was just a residue from what had gone up between the bricks and the wall here, up where you can't see. But anyway, I just wanted to let everybody know that all it takes is something stupid like this, and you would think I would know about the fumes from the can of great stuff. But it seemed perfectly safe to come out here and put that great stuff in that hole. And it just shows you how fast stupid things can happen. So that's pretty much it. Just want to caution everybody and just try and tell everybody, have a plan. Well, as you can see, and as I explained, even if you have experience at looking for this stuff all the time. Accidents can happen, things can happen, and I was confident that I had the fire out, but the smoke on the roof concerned me, so we called the fire department. It's the first time I've ever called the fire department in my life. I have to say that they were terrific in responding. The guys were real nice. They vented the house out. We had some smoke in the house, vented the smoke out. Everything worked out fine. We were here all the rest of the day and were able to keep an eye on it, got the animals all back inside and everything. But I just wanted to stress again, have the extinguishers, have a plan. We've decided we're going to buy a fireproof box of some kind to put important papers in. We have a lot of stuff in a safe deposit box. But you need to think about these things that, because you never know. It just goes to prove you never know. So I don't want to bore you all day long. But anyway, I thank you all for taking a look at this video, and be safe, please.